Hi folks, this is question 9. For the first one, it just gives us a function. We just have to find f of 60 and f of 110 here and show that they're the same thing. So f of 60 would be 0.0560 squared minus 8.5 times 60 plus 800. And when you put that in the calculator, it gives you 470. And then we find f of 110. We do the same thing, 0.05110 squared minus 8.5110 plus 800 equals 470. And that's all. Find an expression for dfdc, so that's just the differential of the top. So it's the same as f dash c, or dfdc is the same thing. So that will just give us 2 multiplied by 0.05 is 0.1 c minus 8.5. And that's all. Now, they want us to find the value of dfdc. We've already found that up there, but now they want us to put some things into it. So 0.1 c minus 8.5. They want us to put in what c is. So c is 78 plus 9 ln t squared. So that's 0.1 multiplied by 78 plus 9 ln t squared, and they want us to put a 7 in for the t in that. So that's 7 squared. And then minus 8.5. And that's all they want us to do. And it gives us 2.8. Next bit is dc dt. So c we know is 78 plus 9 ln t squared. I'm just copying that from above. Therefore, dc dt, when we differentiate that, the 78 will be gone. Actually, what I'm going to do first, to make it a bit clearer, I'm just writing c again, but I'm going to take the 2 at the power 2 at the end. So the t squared, I'm going to move that 2 down in front of the ln. So that's just using one of the rules of logs. So it's 78 plus 2 times 9 is 18 ln t. So that's the c. We haven't differentiated yet. Now dc dt is, like I was saying, the 78 will be gone when we differentiate it. The ln t, that just changes to 1 over t. So look for the differential of ln in your logbook, and it tells you. So 18 multiplied by 1 over t is 18 over t. So we've shown that. That's what they wanted. Right, for part 5, so they want the fuel consumption with respect to time. So they want df dt. So that will be, if we use the change of base, that's df, and the other thing in it is the c, because we've been using c. So df dc multiplied by dc df. So the good thing is that we've worked out what df dc is already. Yeah, that was the df dc. Yeah, that was the 2.8. So remember, we found it here. df dc is 2.8. And we're just going to multiply that by dcdf, and we found that in the one just above, but it's when t is 7, so that's 18 over 7, and we just multiply them together, and that's 7.2. Right, this one I've already filled this in actually. So they just want us to fill in, they just want us to input the x value. So they want us to put a 1, and so 1, 2, 3, and 4 into the top one, because it's between 1 and 4, and then they want us to put 5, 6, 7, and 8, sub all of them into the bottom one, because it's between 4 and 8. And when you sub them in, so you sub in 1 instead of t in the top one, it gives you 3.9. You sub in 3 instead of the t in the top one, it gives you 18.6. And then put in 5 and 6, and you get 46.6 and 59.6. and then you're just going to plot them on this then. So I think it kind of goes up because the top one has E in it. So anytime you have an E in it, okay, it's going to rise exponentially. So it's going to rise like that. So that's the first bit of the graph. And then so 5, 46.6. There. So they'll be a straight line then. Well, close enough. All right, so it kind of rises up. It kind of keeps getting bigger there, and then it just goes kind of straight. So just plot it carefully in your exam. Use integration to find average. Okay, so that's where we do the 1 over b minus a. That's this thing, integral, whatever it is, dt. So we have to do 1 over b minus a. So a and b will just be the 4 and the 8. So it's 1 over 8 minus 4. And that will end up giving us 1 over 4. And then we integrate minus t squared plus 24t minus 48.4. And it's between 8 and 4. That will give us, well, it's 1 over 4 anyway. Integral, well, I'm going to integrate straight away. That would be minus 2t plus 24. Sorry, we're integrating, I'm differentiating. Um, Integral is minus t cubed over 3 plus it'll be 24t squared over 2, that's 12t squared minus 48.4t. And that's all in between 8 and 4. So we're just going to sub it in with both of them then. So it'll be a quarter, then it's minus 8 cubed over 3 plus 12 8 squared minus 48.4 times 8 minus, and then it's the same thing with a 4, minus 4 cubed over 3 plus 12 times 4 squared minus 48.4 times by 4. And it's just calculator work then. You can simplify it a little bit maybe and put it into the calculator. And you should get 58.3 in the end.